Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, market opens in 1 minute. Uno minutos. Good morning. Good morning. The market will open. Hey, market opens in 1 minute. There you go. All right, so let's take a look. Here we got gold. We have this trend line formed. Let's take a look at our supply zones. Draw out some supply zones. Boom. This will be a supply. This will be demand. Bing, 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 bing. Market open. Keep it tight. Try not to make any hasty decisions. And enjoy the ride. Let's see if we make some money today or we lose a little. The goal is just to lose a little, not a lot. Took some trades pre-market before going live. What up? What up? Your first time listener, welcome to the trading family. Matrix trading is what I want to call it, but it sounds kind of cheesy as I say it to myself over time. But I have a matrix trading page, and why not call it matrix trading, right? Matrix is my favorite movie. But yeah, so let's take a look at the markets here and take it slow. I'm trigger finger happy right now. My finger wants to hit sell, but I'm not gonna do it. We're just gonna stay patient. What language are you? I am English speaking, but I don't look English or I don't look American because I'm Filipino, even though I was born in America. All right, so I am American. I speak English, but originally my family's from the Philippines, so I can speak or I can understand Tagalog. Okay, okay. Just gonna keep staying patient. There's a nice setup here that could form. Just like yesterday, guys, we got a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. We failed to make a new higher high. Now we're breaking this last lower high. I would like to see a solid 5 minute candle close. We come up into this 5 minute supply area and we look for opportunity to go short here. As of right now, that is what I'm looking for. but it's so early. We're only 3 minutes in. Just gotta lay low. Mai Zhong. Hopefully, I'm not butchering your name. What language are you? Flip the question on you. If it wasn't so early in the day, shorts. Well, I would want to see price break below this area here before. Oh, what up? What up, everybody? Happy Halloween. Whatever that is, whatever Halloween is. You trick or treating, getting some toys and candy for your kids. I don't know what you're doing. Let's hop over to look at NQ. Very nice sell off. Gonna clear my charts right quick. So I had a trend line drawn from earlier. So something like coming from down here. Boom. So didn't take it. I just had it pulled up earlier. So sellers are stepping into NQ. Let's mark off our supply zones. So we tapped into this 1 hour supply and we're rejecting. So I'm going to draw out this 1 hour supply. It's 1 hour supply. And then the very next demand would be down here. It's a long way off. It's a nice cliff to jump off for NQ. So I'm interested in watching shorts for the day with NQ. You know, as long as there's a bit of a trend going in the 5 minute, I'd be interested to go short. Right now, if we zoom into the 5 minute, there is some opportunity to short in this 5 minute time supply zone. But again, it's just so early. It's only 5 minutes into the market. We have to be as patient as possible. Or I should say, I need to be as patient as possible because I sometimes get caught taking trades when I probably shouldn't. And some of y'all already know how that is. Excuse me. I do honestly like this NQ setup. Because there's good probability, in my opinion, to have everything kind of back down to retest. But again, might be a little too early. So let's stay patient. But I tell you what, let me tell you what, hold on. We put an alert for NQ up in the supply zone. Okay. But let me tell you what. Gold. Okay, gold has done a very nice break of structure. Okay, break of structure. See this lower high here? We had a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. Equal highs, and now we broke this lower high, meaning we're not following the pattern, which gives us an indication of a change of momentum. Okay. And that means I want to look for shorts in the next 5-minute supply, which is here. Right over here. I'm going to zoom down to the 1 minute and let me map out how much I'm going to potentially risk if price decides to come back up here. I'm willing to risk 300 bucks on this trade. Okay, everybody. That's what we're looking at today. I did not check if we have any red folder news, so bear with me. Breaking the routine. Friday, October 31st. Red folder Canadian news already happened at 5:30 this morning. We are good. We are good. There's no red folder news this morning. We're golden. So that's what I'm looking for, is to short this area. Listen, we might get the opportunity, we might not. All we can do is sit and wait. All we can do is sit and wait. Try to be patient, because I am an impatient person. Sorry, this isn't too exciting, everybody. I was gonna try going TikTok live to get to more peeps, but it is what it is. Q just keeps falling off of Face of the earth. Nice. And Q has definitely big sell off. And Q is and NQ looks good, but I don't want to chase. Don't want to chase. I like shorts on NQ if we get a retracement back up in this area. So set the alerts. Let's wait. All right, so I like gold longs. It's interesting to me because we tapped a 5-minute supply. I'm waiting to go short up here anyway, so I'd be interested in taking the opportunity long. Okay. As of right now, I'm interested in taking this opportunity long. I'm already up for the day, so we're gonna take this
order filled
long with stops down here, $200 risk. Gonna check my heart rate. I'm gonna move to break even. 85, not bad. I suck at waiting for take profit, honestly. And I'm trying to get better at that. So see if we can. We're at 86 beats per minute. 92. Come on. $89. Ay, caramba. This is the trading. This is trading. So I have to accept if it hits my stop loss. I'm up for the day. I'd rather break even than lose.
Order filled.
Okay. So we made like 20 bucks on that trade. I could have left my stop loss at $200 loss, but I don't want to lose as I've already been up, and as you can see, this kind of stuff. I'm going to be okay with it. I made the decision to go to break even with the risk of getting stopped out before the move happening. All right, so the next thing, the original trade that we were looking for would be something like this anyway. If we get it, I might take it with the Express accounts. Like we're gonna get it. Okay, guys, we got a while here. Be sitting on our hands for just a little bit. Pretty a minute. Break long. That is a possibility. I'm going to take this long if it flips. It's a little bit more than what I want to risk, but $340 is a little rich on my risk tolerance today, but sometimes you just gotta take the risk, you know? Just need to see follow through, but get stopped out at break even. Come on, push. Nope. About to get stopped out. am guilty of not letting trades breathe. Probably not a good thing, but just try to protect the wins. It wants to break, but we have this trend line that might stop us. Trend line has been tapped. Next 5-minute candle is about to open. It might do one of those where it drops and then pulls up. That would suck, but come on, just give us the push. Very nice. Very nice.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm taking it off because I took it off. Because if it pulls back again and I got so close to take profit, I would probably get emotional and go on tilt. So I locked it in. Okay, guys. So on the challenges, I already hit 1600 for the day. I technically cannot make more than 1500 in a day because it's 3000 to pass. So give me 1 second here. I am going to switch this over to my Express accounts. Copy trading, clear. So now we're going to go on the funded accounts. Express, save changes. We're going to go to the combine. We're going to lock out all day. And we're going to go to the Express accounts. We're back. Okay. Two things on the Express account is we could try to go long if it pulls back. Or we can go short, which I think I'm going to wait. So let's be patient for shorts into supply here. Five-minute supply. Oh my gosh. I'm not trading micros. Sorry, guys. Or I'm not trading minis on this. I gotta go micros. All right, we're gonna go 5 micros.
Order filled.
Risking $200. See if we can get all the way to the bottom. Well, 5-minute demand is right here. So high probability take profit would be right here, but we might not get it. We might get stopped out. 5-minute candle closed pretty strong. Which has me a little worried. But this is the setup. You know, we break the structure, we enter at a 5-minute supply. The setup I take. So if it ends up being a loser, then I'll be okay with it. If it stops me out, I'll wait for a re-entry that I feel a bit more confident about. I'm gonna give it its breathing room again. Because I didn't want it to shoot up and then be stuck in this. So now that we had some downside pressure or sell-off pressure, okay, giving it some breathing room. There's 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. What I want to do is I'm going to risk the same amount of money, but I'm going to add in 3 contracts. We break this candle.
Order filled.
Okay, we're going to come down to risking $200. So risking the same amount, just lowered my stop as I add in. Let's see if we hit take profit. Oh, this is a funded account, so just gonna let it come down here just in case it just runs down. I'm gonna move to break even because we are in a fundament, and I definitely want to protect profits. I'm anticipating it testing the trend line. And if it stops me out, it stops me.
Order filled.
All right, we added in, but we definitely have to see this flip over. It comes up, it comes up. I gotta breathe. I gotta breathe. $101. 100. Come on, hit take profit. Come on.
Order
I'm taking it
filled.
off. Guys, I am not good at this. 92. This thing could probably keep dropping. Not good. Not good emotions. I'm a little too emotional right now. Okay, not bad. That's exactly what we look for. You know, we made some money today. I'm deciding whether I call it quits or not. So, excuse me. These are the express accounts.
Order filled.
Oh wow, I'm only in 1 micro.
Order filled.
I accidentally only put 1 micro because I thought I was in trading minis. So that's kind of worked out in my favor.
Order filled.
Looks like we're gonna get stopped. I got faked out on the trendline break.
Order filled.
Okay, not bad. I'm happy with the loss.
Order filled.
Last shot for the day. Oops. Getting a little choppy, so this doesn't break, then trying to break?
Order filled.
All right, guys. Gonna lock myself out for the rest of the day. Boom. Lock me out. Goes up, it goes down, it flips around. It does cartwheels. It bounces around left and right. I don't care. I'm out. I'm done for the day. Made some money. That's all that matters. So, successful day. I know if I let this come up and hit my stop loss at break even, I would be pretty frustrated. I can live with the fact that it can come down all the way down here at the end of the day. I can live with that. But as of right now, I'm content with making $700 on 2 accounts. So that's $1,400. Cool. Yeah, it sucks seeing it go down, but hey, I'm up. That's all that matters. Make sure to follow my Instagram, ShackMT, and then also I have a trading content Instagram only, which is Matrix Trading. Join the Discord. The link is below. And if you made it this far, you know, it means a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed, be a part of the trading family. It is lonely trading by yourself, and it sucks trading by yourself and losing money by yourself, right? It's always good to have people around you. So hope you have a good rest of your day. Have a great Halloween, and I will see you guys in the next